Hey guys, Apollo, come on now. I'm back. Well, yeah, I'm back with another video. So today is the very long overdue clothing haul. First of all, back to school clothing haul. We went to the mall to go buy this stuff like 2, maybe 3 weeks ago. Still did not do the haul. It was like we was gonna do it, and then time just got the best of us. Like we was just all over the place. If you hear any noise in the background, please ignore it. It's Apollo. So yeah, I went to a few stores. I didn't do a lot because it's senior year of college. Honestly, what do I need? Like, and plus I shop sporadically. Like, I don't really shop in bulk, so it makes it a little harder to do hauls because I don't really go to stores and get like a whole bunch of stuff. So it's kind of like mix of stuff. So I went to, well, me and Paris went to 3 stores because I'm gonna show her stuff too. She's in class. Zumiez, Ulta, Pacsun, and a couple other stores, but yeah. So first, I'm gonna start out with this shirt because I'm wearing it today. It's just a black shirt with a little snake on it. I got it from Apollo. Really? I got it from Zumiez. This one was, I don't know how much it was originally. Maybe if I take the tag off, I could. But it's a size extra large. I didn't know I got it in the extra large. I put it on, but I didn't know it was this big. It was originally, this shirt was originally $17.95 and I paid $19.95 for it. How you gonna up the price? But okay, whatever. The next shirt, I wore some of these shirts, but I got the tags for them and everything. The next shirt, I wore it the second day of class, and I'm gonna put a picture on one of these corners because I took a picture in it. It's basically white and navy shirt. It says "Catch My Drift" with a little boat on it. It's really cute, really comfy. It was, I got it from Pacsun. It's on the back of the tag. But it was originally $24.95. I got it for $20. They was doing their clearance stuff was buy one get one free. So yeah, I got that for that little deal. The next shirt I got is this like kind of like golden yellow Old Bay shirt. I wore this last week too. It's more of a tighter fit. It's a size large. It's a men's large. I think I got out the men's section. I think it's a men's large. It was originally $37.95. Will I ever pay $37.95 for a shirt? Hell no. Got it for $21.99, and their clearance stuff was buy one get one half off and everything. Then the last shirt I got is this really, I like this shirt. I really can't wait to wear it. Is this shirt here. It's really, the material is very thick. I really like it. It's a men's large, and it was just $20 because it was a logo shirt. So yeah, that's that on the shirts. I didn't need a lot of stuff but I need jeans, so I might do another haul on jeans because I only really have like 2 pairs of jeans. I'm missing 1 pair of jeans from when we moved, and then all my other jeans, they be ripping in the thighs, so I need to go back for jeans. But I only go to certain stores. No, I only go to one certain store for jeans, but we'll get to that in that video. The next thing, I left one of them. Hold on. I don't need company. Excuse me. I had to film this video standing up because Apollo has the house in shambles. I went to Ulta because I needed some stuff for my skin. First of all, I need a new facial cleanser because my face, ooh, it look nice in this lighting, but it's, I don't know what it is. Like, it's just like sporadically like breaking out and it's making me mad. I got this oil-free moisturizer. It's Neutrogena. It's the pink grapefruit. I kind of don't like the smell. I used to use the face wash when I was in high school, but I kind of don't really like the smell. But the other one, I saw it in CVS for like $15. I'm not paying $15 for that. But this one in Ulta was $9.99. And for their Neutrogena products, they were doing buy one get one 40% off. So I got this body clear body scrub for the 40% off. I think this one was like $9.50. So I heard really good things about this. Well, I saw really good things about it on Pinterest and everything. So yeah, that's that. And then I think everything else is just Paris' stuff. So Paris got this book bag from like, what is it, like Wilson's Leather or something. And it's just a really cute like black book bag with like gold detailing and stuff. And yeah, she got it on sale. It's originally $100. I think she said she got it for $40, which is really good for a leather book bag. And then she went to the store and got 2 pairs of Crocs. One, she has this thing with Crocs. One I'm wearing right now as like my house slippers for the moment. And then the other one she's actually wearing right now. So I'll post a picture of it on one of these sides, like from online or something like that. And they're like the tie-dye ones, but not the like dark tie-dye. She has those too, but she got the light tie-dye this time. And we went to Off-Broadway, and they always do buy one get one half off. So yeah, I'm honestly gonna go back there too because I want to get 2 pairs of shoes. So wait, I almost forgot. Hold on. Apollo, I know he coming. Come on. Come on, get your butt out the room. I was sitting here thinking, like, is that really everything? No, that's not everything. Oh my goodness, bro. No, you did not just. You don't gotta run everywhere you go. Apollo just unplugged the whole ring light, y'all. Hold on. You're a mess. Like, honestly, Apollo be in here like you would think our house is an obstacle course. Like, he be running through here like he got. Come on. Are you going back inside? Oh my, I'm so sorry. I did not mean to hit your ankle with that. I'm so sorry. Did you pee on the floor? We're trying to potty train him, so if you got any tips, comment down below, because the level is here and I'm up to here with it. But we got shoes. I almost forgot. So, oh my god, I'm so mad I scuffed it on the damn steps. So these basically the Air Max 270s. Boom. This is my pair. I got it in a women's size 9 because I think kind of big, but not really. These are originally $150, but I got them for $109 from Finish Line because one of my coworkers worked there, so got the discount. And then Paris got a pair of 270 as well, but oh, get off my shirt. But hers she got in a men's 8.5, and she got hers from Champs. They were, I think they were on sale for $120 or either like $100, but she only paid like $118 for them. So I don't know, but yeah, she wore these once. I wore mine like at least like 2 or 3 times. They're really comfortable. I like them. Yeah, I think that is everything now. Shoes, shirts, shoes, and yeah. So that's pretty much it. If you want to see, I'm gonna start shopping in bulk more because I do need to order some things for the winter time because I feel like I don't be having stuff. And I want to get some more shoes and I want to get some more jeans. So that's at least like 2/3 more clothing hauls And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this video. Like always, like, comment, subscribe, and if you have any video ideas that you want us to do, make sure you comment it down below so we can know. You guys have a great day. Ow, I scratched my finger. Finish this video right on time. It's time for me to start making my way to class. I'm gonna drop Apollo off to Paris, and yeah, see you guys.